morning, children. Okay, children, today I am going to take class 10th English. That is Unit 4, A-Bit, Rendezvous with Ray. Yes. Now their friendship, this Father Robert and Satyajit Ray's friendship lasted for 22 years till Satyajit Ray died. He died in the year 1992. According to Robert, Ray was a shy person. Satyajit Ray was a shy person according to Father Robert. He seemed to be cold, aloof and intimidating to outsiders, but he was in reality a very simple man with a subtitle sense of humor. So, people may think that he is like arrogant. He may look like arrogant and people think that he is some person like he will not be polite to anyone. So in such a way people used to imagine him, but really he is not such type of person. He is a shy person and he has very sense of humor. The author and Ray used to meet on Sunday at 9 a.m. The author, that is Father Robert, and Satyajit Ray used to meet on Sundays at 9 a.m. The author says that Ray's human concern was great. So the author said that Satyajit Ray's concern over human is very great. For this, he gave an example. Once a few well-known personalities of the city of the Charulata screenplay personalities of the city of Calcutta has visited him earlier to go through one of the manuscripts. After they left, he found the Charulata screenplay missing. So once what happened, some of the great well-known personalities, they came to visit him in Calcutta. They visited him and they go through one of the manuscripts. They have studied one of the manuscripts and then they left. After they went, he found that Charulata screenplay missing. Ray knew who had taken that manuscript. So Satyajit Ray could understand that who might have taken that script. Robert asked him whether he was going to take any action against him. So Robert asked Satyajit Ray, is that are you going to take any action on the person who took your script? Ray said no. He explained that he did not want to hurt the reputation of the person. So Ray said, no, I'm not going to take any action on the person who took my script because I don't want to hurt anyone's reputation. Like Tagore, Satyajit Ray stood his name like a colossus. Robert feels that Ray took off where Tagore signed out. Tagore wrote in his last major prose, Sabhyatra Sankat, that it would be a sin to lose faith in man. So if we lose a faith in anyone's view, it is like we are losing faith on the humanity. In Ray's last three films, Tagu's dictum becomes clear. Ray felt deeply hurt with some critics saw the last three films of him as detective and verbose. Chitrabani Communication and Film Institute in West Bengal was founded by Roboj in 1970. Its establishment was the result of his friendship with Ray. So, this Chitrabani Communications is a film institute which was founded by Roboj, Father Roboj in 1970. He established that institution for the result of their friendship with Satyajit Ray, his friendship with Satyajit Ray. As a token of friendship with Roboj was the director of Chitraban for 26 years. He was the director of this institute, Chitraban, for 26 years. As the token of friendship with Roboj lent his name as a co-founder, Ray also agreed to be the institute's advice, and Roboj was the director of Chitraban for 26 years. He produced important documentary features. It became breeding ground for local talent for film making. So this is what about Randeos with the friendship with Satyajit Ray. Okay children, so now you will have to write down the question answers. So before starting the question answers, I would like to go to the behind of your textbook children. That is page number 252, textual listening text. About Martin Luther, the speech, a speech by Martin Luther King. Yes, I say to you today, my friends, that in spite of the difficulties and frustration of the moment, I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will raise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. So one day or the other day, the people will come to know why they were born on this earth. And it is that everyone is treated equally. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a desert state sweltering with the heat of justice and operations, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they live not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day the state of Alabama, whose governor's lips are presently dripping with the words of interposition and Nullification will be transformed into a situation where little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with the little white boys and little white girls, walk together as sisters and brothers. So it tells that there should not be creed, caste, anything in between the people. So he says that I got a dream like as the whites, they are mingling with the black people. The white children, the white girl has shaking her hand with the black girl. So they are mingling with each other. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted, every hill and monument shall be made low. The rough place will be made plains and the crooked place will be made straight. And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope. This is the faith with which I return to the south. With this faith we will be able to heave out of the mountain of despair of stone of hope. With this faith we will be able to transform the jingling discard of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. So knowing that we will be free one day, so we have to struggle hard. It is not that a single person struggles, we cannot get the victory. It is that everyone should be mingled and everyone should struggle with each other and everyone should be the part of everything. Like we should work together, we should pray together, we should struggle together. If at all there's any situation is there to go to jail, we should go together to jail to get the freedom. We all should work together. So this is what about the speech by Martin Luther King. So you will have to attempt the question answers for this also, children. And vocabulary. Read the following passage and notice underlined words. Here some of the words are underlined. Square means pitch dark. The word pair, square meal, pitch dark are bitterly cold are found together. That means they co-occur. Such co-occurring words or word combination are called collocations. Co plus locate, collocate, co-locate. These expressions are natural. So collocations means nothing but, children, when any two words combinedly make one word, like a compound sentence. So here ride a motorcycle, drive a motorbike. We say, we don't say. Ride a motorbike, cycle we say. School co-occurring words of word combination are called collocation, co-locate, collocate. These expressions are natural. Then one word substitute. Grandiose is a one word substitute for a meeting place. You can work in groups and pick the similar one word substitutes from the text question equivalent to the meaning given below. A short stay between two places in one journey. Stop over. A person who brings out new books is called as publisher. This is one word which a person who brings out new books can be called as publisher. We can say it as a publisher. A handwritten document. A handwritten document is called as manuscript. So like this you can write, give the one word substitute answer for the sentences given below. certain words, expressions that are not from English. Example, en route. This means on the way. The expression are taken from language like Latin, Greek and Portuguese and so on. There are certain instances where these expressions are used in English perhaps because of their precision in meaning. Some of them along with their meanings are given. In mass, all together in large number. Viva was, spoken an, exam. In toto, totally. So these are the words which we can find in the textbook. They are the words from the languages like Latin and Greek. Meanings are also given for such words, children. Then you will read the paragraph and you have to fill the blanks. Like on the 14th November, on the occasion of Children's Day, the children across the state requested the officers to conduct Children's Film Festival more often. They submitted a memorandum to the secretary to the government in Indra Hyderabad in this regard. So now we have to fill this blanks, children. The government conducted to the request and came out with the proposal to set up an dash committee, ad hoc, ADHOC, ad hoc committee to serve the purpose before a permanent body is in place. It was proposed by the government that the committee would be led by a department officials as an ex officio president. Second answer is ex officio. The committee should conduct a written exam along with a dash. Viva was to identify student representative at Mandal, district and state level to strengthen the culture of the film festivals among the children. The dash of the students, the bona fides of the students should be verified. For such identification, the proposal made the screening of at least a dash magnum ops of the director mandatory of the year for every year. So these are the Latin words, children. So here below you can see some of the Latin words and with their meanings. And next Greek expressions and their meanings, Portuguese expressions and their meanings. Then grammar, arrange the following sentence in proper order and write a paragraph. You may insert appropriate linkers wherever necessary. So do all the grammar work, children. So still if you have any doubts, you can call to the school number. We'll clarify your doubts, children. So complete your grammar work, complete your question answers as well and send it to school mail ID. That is myschoolmyhomework@gmail.com, children. So you can follow the workbook, children. children, to write the question answers. You can try to write it the answers by your own, or else you can refer the workbook to get some ideas and complete the work, children. Till then, take care, children. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.